Hi lovely people, how are you? It is currently, let me look, 11:09 p.m. and I am doing this video. I've been so busy all week. Anywho, I have a funny story to tell you. I thought all day today was the 26th, June 26th. Today is the 25th when I am recording this. And my father had passed away on the 26th. Now, I was only 6 years old when he passed. He died in a motorcycle accident. So all day I was like, oh, today's the day my father passed. You know, I'm going around my whole day thinking it's the 26th. And I literally, just before I sat down to film, I just realized it's the 25th. So, anywho, I babble a lot. So, if you read from my description, I am going to be unboxing the LenyBox. Now, this is going to be kind of like a little rant. If you don't like these negative videos or these type of videos, please click out. I don't usually do these type of videos, but I really hope you do stay and watch this video because I have a lot of information for you on this box. So, if you are an OG of mine, about 6 or 7 months ago, I ordered the LenyBox myself. I paid for it. It is a $19.99 a month subscription. And I seen a few people open it, and I thought, oh my God, that's a nice box. There was like an indie brand palette in there, and I really, really liked it. So I ordered it. And as I opened it up on camera, first impressions. I didn't know what was in the box. And I kind of was thinking in my head, are these fake? Are they real? I wasn't sure about this box. I will leave that video right here if you can check it out. And also down below, if you want to check it out after this video, you will see what I'm talking about. So I did some digging and some research. And one of the palettes that they had gave us was from Luxe Beauty, which is an indie brand. And I'm thinking, that is a brand new palette. It's like a $42 or $45 palette. Why would it be in a LenyBox that is $19.99? That's not well known as of that time. And there was a Sephora like sponge thing, and I'm thinking, I don't know. So I called Sephora, and Sephora told me they are not affiliated with the LenyBox. And then I got a hold of the indie brand, and they emailed me back and said that they put on their Instagram ahead of time, they were aware that that is a fake palette. They are not affiliated with it. And they also showed me pictures of what a real palette is and what the fake palette was. And they were very upset because they said they were trying to contact LenyBox and LenyBox was not contacting them back. So then the next day I made a video letting everybody know that these are fake products in this subscription box. I will leave that video up here as well and down below. So a little bit more information about this box. One of my friends was opening the box and it was some skincare, and I had put on her comments, I said be careful because they are knockoff products. I don't want anybody using things that they think are real that aren't. Well, that company, not the LenyBox, the company that is associated with the skincare product that we are talking about, wrote on my comment and got very nasty with me, and well, they just told me that they are real. They do deal with LenyBox and all that stuff. So I wrote underneath that comment, I said, okay, well, you might be real, but I know for a fact there was Luxe Beauty that was fake and Sephora and all that. And then they wrote me back and said, well, Luxe Beauty does not own the name to their company. They don't own it. And I thought, why is this skincare that's not LenyBox? How would they know they don't own their name? And why are they like trying to make sure everything is correct? So I clicked on the icon and they had 2 subscribers and they had no video. And I'm thinking, why would a skincare line have a YouTube account but don't have any videos on their channel and only has 2 subscribers? So I knew either that was somebody fake from LenyBox or it wasn't real. I didn't know. But there was a lot going back and forth, so I deleted my comment, so it deleted everything because I didn't want any drama on my friend's channel. I figured, you know, if she believes that it's real, then that's fine. You know, I believe my way too. We all have different opinions. So I let that go. Well, a few weeks ago, LenyBox emailed me and the guy told me he is the new CEO of the company and that he's sorry for anything I went through and he can assure me 100% that these products are authentic. And I said, okay, I believe in second chances. I said, send me the box, and I want to know, because if it is a different owner or a person that works with them, and I just think if it's real, then I would want to make a video, and I want to let everybody know that everything is fine. And I wanted to see anyway. I was kind of like, is it real or is it not? So I did get the box about a week ago, but I did some digging, and I have some information on that as well. So I will get now to opening the box. I just wanted to, guys, give you what I went through with the LenyBox, and then what is in here and what I found out. All right, so like I said, this is a $19.99 a month subscription. It doesn't come with a card, at least mine didn't come with a card. And the first thing I got is a hairbrush, which is fine, and it is from Babyliss. And I don't know, it's a brush, so it doesn't matter what it is, so that's nice. Then the second product we got in here is a brush that has no name on it. And it's like that. It's shedding a little bit, and then it has the end like this. For me, that is good for cream contouring, but this is too soft for me to kind of blend that out, so this would be good for powder or whatever. I mean, you can get these on Wish or whatever for like $1 or so, but no name, and that's fine. I can always use brushes, no big deal. Here's where I have the issue. So then we have this product, this skincare. This is the Lior Gold. This is the company that I was telling you that gave me that hard time. They seem to be in a lot of these subscription boxes. So this is the Nano Sleeping Mask. I'm not even going to open it. And that's what that is. All right, so then we got this eyebrow pencil from Benefit. Now, immediately, I start thinking, ding, 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 why would Benefit be in a subscription box? I didn't understand that. So I did email them. They did not get back to me. So I did some digging, and I also went to the store, and I thought, well, first of all, it doesn't have a spoolie. But then I found out, because I know these are $24, and I found out they do have the mini ones that are $12. And if you see right here, the font on here where it's just pink, the real one has black over that in the font on the outside of this, and this just feels very cheap. And when I did swatch it, it's very, very hard, which I had these before and they're not like this. I mean, that's the color. So I did go to Ulta, and they did tell me that, and I looked at it side by side. It doesn't look the same, but it could be real. It could just be an older product, I don't know. But but this is the one that when I seen this, then I knew. This is from Molly Cosmetics, and this palette is City Chick in the Buff. First of all, again about this didn't even come in a box. It usually comes in a box, an outer carton, and it just came like this, so I am suspicious when it doesn't come in the box. This as well did not come in the box. It came just like this. So I knew right there something's going on. So I emailed Molly Cosmetics. They got right back to me in a couple hours, and they asked me to send them pictures. So I sent them 4 or 5 pictures, and they came back and they did tell me that they do sell this product. It could be real, that this is a Molly product, but they are not affiliated with the LenyBox. I'm sorry, am I blurry? Let's see. So that's what they told me, and I thought, that doesn't have the ingredients. So even if this is real, let's just say, I don't know for a fact, it doesn't come in a box. So I can't get the batch number. I don't know what the ingredients are. And what these companies do, I am not saying LenyBox does this, but a lot of these subscription boxes do, is they buy on wholesale. So they go to eBay and different things and get a big abundance for a lower price to put it in their subscription boxes. And I'm thinking, why not have the box? Why is the box not in it? I don't understand that. So how do I know how old this is? This could be 6, 7 years old. I don't know. How do I know that it's real? I mean, it looks nice, and it looks like what a Molly palette would be, and that's what it looks like. But and the Molly, they told me by pictures, it looks like it's the Molly palette, but they're not affiliated with them. So where are they getting it from if they're not getting it from Molly? How do we know how old these products are? And this is what I want to let everybody know. Be careful when you get these subscription boxes. If you get a palette, and I've watched a lot of unboxings of the June 2018 LenyBox, not one person questioned why this didn't come in the box. Not only, let's just say this is real, and let's just say this is maybe like 3 months old, how do we know nothing was contaminated? Because it was not sealed. It didn't come in a box. Same as this. I still stand by how I felt. I don't like this subscription box. It is shady. They did tell me that they would send this box to me every month. I am definitely going to email them and tell them I do not want any more boxes. I will never promote a subscription box that I don't feel comfortable with wearing this stuff myself. And these could very well be real. But it didn't come in a box. I don't know the ingredients. I don't know. It's just sketchy to me. And I can't promote this company. And I don't understand how nobody questioned like this not coming in the box. And like I said, this is so hard that even if this is real, this thing is old as dirt. This is not new. It's old, even if it is a real benefit thing. And I am just so upset. I'm going on a rant. But I stand by how I feel about this box, and it upsets me. Listen, if this wanted to be a knockoff box, then just say we sell knockoffs. I have no problem with that. But when you email me, even the first round when I bought it and I was questioning, the person told me, we are 100%, you know, this is legit. This is a legit box. Authentic is the word they used, and I found that it wasn't. You know, and the guy told me the same thing. And like I said, it could be real, but how old is it? What do we know? Why aren't these in boxes? You're paying $19.99 for a box, a couple dollars less than BoxyCharm, and you're giving me this that I found at Wish for $1. A hairbrush I can get for a couple dollars. Why would Molly Cosmetics, this is a $42 or $45 palette. Why would it be in this box? Molly Cosmetics, why would Molly Cosmetics be in any subscription box? And if they did buy it from wholesale, it's still not right because they didn't get their permission to sell these in the box. And I'm just so upset. I know I'm going on a rant. I don't make these type of videos, but I don't like to be lied to. And like I said, you know, if they tell me certain, if it is authentic, I just don't, it's just sketchy to me. So I'm done with my little rant. Like I said, I usually don't make these type of videos, so I am so sorry. But I don't care about getting free boxes for review. Oh my goodness. That is my cat messing around with the trash can. Sorry about that. But yeah, so I don't care about getting free subscription boxes. The trust with you guys is more important. I won't continue to get this, to get free products for, you know, to make videos. That's not my style. I won't do it. I don't know why I look so blurry. I will email the guy and let him know. Don't send me anymore. Take me off. And yeah, so that's everything. Let me know in the comments below, what do you think of this box? Do you think I'm overreacting? Do you get this box? What do you think is sketchy that these things didn't come and nothing came in a box? What do you guys think? Let me know. And don't forget, guys, if you don't know, I do have a 5K giveaway. I will leave it up here and down below. It's my 5K giveaway, and I said if we made it to 7,500 subscribers, I will have 2 winners, and we met that goal. And I believe we're at like 9,000 right now. If we get another 1,000, 10,000 by the end of this giveaway, then we will have 3 winners. So I already start ordering some more palettes, eyeshadow palettes, and I'm so excited. So guys, please like this video, subscribe. It would mean the world to me. And comment below and tell me what you think. Alright guys, I will leave some videos over here if you want to watch more of me. And also down below of my other videos that I did with the LenyBox. Alright guys, until my next video. Bye.